helicopter. Start with both the flags on your left-hand side. Your right moves, then your left. They meet each other at the top. Your right wrist is behind your left. The insides of your wrists are touching one another. And you switch them. Now your right is in the back, your left is in front. Your left is in the back, your right is in front. And you're going to start the same move over again. 1, 2, right behind, left in front, switch places. Right arm again goes down. They follow each other up, switch places. Quickly it looks like this. From the rear.